Oppo has announced the Oppo Reno 5 and Reno 5 Pro 5G smartphones in China. Both the phones come with a rear quad camera setup, 32-megapixel selfie camera, Android 11, in-display fingerprint sensor and more. Oppo has announced the third phone in the series called as Reno 5 Pro Plus will launch in China on December 24. Oppo Reno 5 Pro price. The Oppo Reno 5 5G is priced at 2,699 yuan approx. 30,400 rupee for the 8GB RAM with 128GB storage variant and 2,999 yuan approx. 33,745 rupee for the 12GB RAM with 256GB storage variant. It comes in Aurora Blue, Midnight Black and Glitter Blue colors. The Oppo Reno 5 Pro 5G, on the other hand, is priced at 3,399 yuan approx. 38,290 rupee for the 8GB RAM with 128GB storage version, while the 12GB RAM with 256GB storage version is priced at 3,799 yuan approx. 42,745 rupee. It comes in Glitter Blue, Aurora Blue, Midnight Black colors. Oppo Reno 5 specifications. The Oppo Reno 5 features 6.43-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with 2400 x 1080 pixels resolution, 180 Hz touch sampling rate and 90 Hz refresh rate. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 765 5G chipset with Adreno 620 GPU. The phone offers an in-display fingerprint sensor. For the cameras, the phone has a quad camera setup with a 64-megapixel rear camera with f1.7 aperture, LED flash, 8-megapixel 119 degrees ultra-wide lens with f2.2 aperture, 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel mono portrait lens with f2.4 aperture. For the front, it has 32-megapixel selfie camera with f2.4 aperture. Oppo Reno 5 runs on Android 11 with ColorOS 11.1 on top of it. The phone is loaded with a 4,300 mAh battery with 65W Super Flash Charge fast charging support. Connectivity options include 5G SA, NSA, dual 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, 2.4 GHz plus 5 GHz, Bluetooth 5, GPS, NFC, dual SIM, and USB Type-C port. Oppo Reno 5 Pro specifications. The Oppo Reno 5 Pro features a 6.55-inch curved OLED panel with 2400 x 1080 pixels resolution, a 90 Hz refresh rate, and a 120 Hz touch sampling rate. It is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus chipset along with Mali G77MC9 GPU. In terms of optics, the phone is equipped with a quad camera setup with a combination of 64-megapixel primary lens with f1.7 aperture, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens with 119-degree FOV and 2.2 aperture, a 2-megapixel macro lens and a 2-megapixel mono portrait lens with f2.4 aperture. On the front, there is a 32-megapixel selfie camera with f2.4 aperture. Oppo Reno 5 Pro also has an in-display fingerprint sensor. It runs Android 11 with ColorOS 11.1 and is backed up by a 4,350 mAh battery with 65W Super Flash Charge fast charging. In terms of connectivity, there is 5G SA, NSA, dual 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, 2.4 GHz plus 5 GHz, Bluetooth 5, GPS, GLONASS, BDU, NFC and USB Type-C port. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button to never miss an update.